Life's unpredictable. Sometimes things go well, sometimes they don't. But when you really pay attention to the patterns, you realize that everything eventually works out.
True, every challenge feels like it's piling up at first, but somehow we get through it.
Exactly. The things you think you can't survive, those moments when everything feels mixed up, you end up making it through.
Yeah, that's life. We always figure things out. Remember last year when my work projects just kept piling up? I thought I wouldn't be able to handle it, but I opted for a better approach and managed to pull through.
Right. I remember. You had to own up to your mistakes and take on more responsibility than you initially planned. But look where it led you. You grew so much from that experience.
Definitely. There were times when I wanted to give up, but I just had to hang in there. Eventually, things patched up, and I got along better with the team.
I've been there too. Last month, I was so stressed out about that big presentation. Things were going downhill fast, but then my colleague cut in at the last minute and helped me out. It was a lifesaver.
Sometimes you need that. Someone to step in when you least expect it. It's funny how when you're about to give up, someone or something comes along to help you get ahead.
Exactly. And honestly, I've learned that we just have to go ahead with life, even if things seem uncertain. In the end, we always make out okay, even if we can't see it in the moment.
That's the thing. No matter how tough things get, we somehow manage to survive and get away from the worst of it. Remember when I was struggling to figure out what to do next in my career? I finally plumped for a new role, and it's been great so far.
I do remember. You weren't sure at first, but it turned out better than expected. It's funny how life works like that. We all have those moments when things feel overwhelming, but then we manage to patch up the problems, pass back the stress, and keep moving forward.